Yo, what's up mga pare kay Chongkoy? Tayo ay maglalaro ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Puppy Playtime Chapter 2. At sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng Chapter 1 panoorin nyo muna bago kayo pumunta ng Chapter 2 para maganda ang panonood nyo. So, ang last video natin doon is pinakawalan natin si Puppy sa case niya and tingnan natin kung ano yung mga susunod na mangyayari. Kaya tara. Fly in a web. With Puppy now free, the situation begins to change rapidly while you search for any way to escape the factory. Okay. Excited na ako. Ano yan? Ito yung ano... Huh? Anong lugar yan? Medyo lakasan natin yung ano.
With Playtime Co.'s new patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest way. She loves watching you play. When you're having fun, she's having fun.
Ako hindi,
Mommy
natatakot ako
Longlegs
sa
from
mukha niya.
Playtime Co. What's the time?
Playtime! Mamamatay na tayo! Visit na yan. Paano kung ayoko? Okay. Let's go to the chapter 2. Ito yung may kinaiinisan talaga ako. Malakas ba yung sounds? Okay, nandito na tayo. At napakawala na natin siya. So we need to go back. Dito. Ang layo ng jump. Pwede bang ayusin yung controls nito? Hindi pwedeng ayusin yung controls nito para ilalagay na sa gitna, ganun. Dito ba? Sabi mo eh. Walang kailangan ng yakap. Walang kailangan ng hug. Mamatay tayo dyan. Okay. Ano yun? Trophy? Ano yung papel niyan?
Playtime Co. is the product of a great man by the name of Elliot Ludwig. Divorced, but a family man at heart. His sights were always set on bringing amazing toys to amazing children around the globe. Ludwig spent countless hours in the factory, working overtime relentlessly in an attempt to continuously innovate and surprise. In the 1960s, an unfortunate family death had pushed Ludwig down to his lowest. But with so much ambition, he rose back up and continued to fulfill his vision for the Playtime Co. toy factory. Ludwig could never be content leaving a project unfinished. But just how did one man come to create such an astounding empire? How did he manage to stay determined even after suffering such a tragic loss? It all began in the fateful year of
19 what? Wow. Paano tayo akit dyan? 19 ano?
Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying
No problem.
So long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back. There's a train station nearby. It needs a code, and I have it. We're gonna get out of here. As soon as you get on up here.
Paano kung ayoko?
Come on.
Oh, sabi mo, titiwala ako. Takting yan.
Hey, I'm up here. I see you. I should be able to follow you through the fence. This way.
Diyan ako dadaan? Saan? Dito. Ay nako. Nga pala dito mga pare ko, aabutin tayo ng mga 1 oras dito. Sasama-sama tayo sa 1 oras. Kaya enjoyin nyo na lang. See.
Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Oy! Sama ako! Game station. Saan ako lumabas? Sa Elliot Ludwig Power. Oh, okay. Ito yung mahirap dito eh. No. What the? Tapos dito. Tapos doon. Hawak dito. Okay. Basic. Buksan mo na yan. Ay, naglag. Oy!
It's so long. Isn't this exciting, Mommy? Very exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape.
Touch that base.
How is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical
Wait lang ha.
memory, and Mommy will get things
Para mabilis tayo makalingon-lingon sa mga mangyayari.
the rules.
Mahirap to pag ganun.
Tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.
Visit ka. Oh, sa game station. Ito na tayo. Visit na yan.
Preparing for departure. 3, 2, 1. Choo-choo!
Oh. Asan yun? Saan yung tumutunog na yan? Okay.
Hi, kids. Welcome to the game station. I'm Stella, and we've got 3 super-duper fun games to play. These little tests show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing Musical Memory. See you in a bit.
Musical memory. Ito yung mga kulay-kulay. Kailangan muna natin lakasan yung ano. Yung volume natin para marinig ko na maigi. Mabilis maglaw, mabilis ako makalimot sa kulay. Hindi ko gusto ito. Ayoko nito, mabilis ako makalimot ng ganito. Oh. Try ka muna natin to. Kailangan natin mag-ready. Sana rinig nyo pa rin yung boses ko ha. Electric charge 10 seconds. When you're holding electricity, shoot them to temporarily power other system. They are on the same timer. Location results in injury. Okay. Ah, may butas yan. Naglilik yan. Tinitignan niyo ba ako? Akala ko tinitignan ako. Ayan, may kamay na tayo. Isa. Tapos, kulayan na. Ayan lang. Oh? No paint machine. Saan tayo hanap nun? Oh, okay. Thank you sa daan. Bawal makuha sa malayo. Bawal makuha sa malayo. Ayan, parang meron na. Kailangan natin magmadali. Tapos dry na lang. Dry na lang natin to. Okay, last. Meron na, okay. Glad we found Nakakabahan na ako. Ayun. Oh, dito.
I know when your birthday is.
Kailan?
28.
Hindi, mali ka. Okay, guys. Ito na. Samahan nyo ako. Nabilis ako makalimot ng kulay kapag ganito. Okay, ready na tayo. Nagpapasma na naman ako. Visit na laro to.
Welcome to Musical Memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works.
Hindi nagwo-work yung utak ko eh.
A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up.
So siya yun.
Input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all.
Ayoko mamatay. Ayoko mamatay. At sa yung babae na yun. Ha? Mami!
Isn't it amazing?
Hindi.
Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play.
1 to 8.
That's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Doon ka na, sa itas ka na. Ayoko sa'yo.
Red,
Red,
red, yellow,
red, yellow,
red, yellow, yellow,
red, yellow, yellow,
red, yellow, yellow, red,
red, yellow, yellow, red.
red, yellow, yellow, red, red,
Red, yellow, yellow, red, red. Doon ka sa taas. Ayoko sa'yo. Hindi tayo makakalim.
blue,
Blue,
blue, blue,
blue, blue,
blue,
blue, blue, blue,
blue, red,
blue, 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 red,
blue, red, green,
blue, blue. Ay, blue, red, red, doon.
red, green, violet,
Blue, 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 red, green, violet. Visit ka, nasa likod ko pa yung violet.
round 3, white,
White, nasa white? White,
white, violet,
white, violet,
white, violet, white,
white, violet, white,
white, violet, white, orange,
white, violet, white. Say orange, orange,
white, violet, white, orange,
white, violet, white, orange, blue,
white, violet, white, orange, red,
white, violet, white, orange, blue, red.
round 4,
Oh, blue. Sunod.
blue jay,
Anong blue jay?
blue jay, heart,
Blue. Ay!
blue jay, heart,
Blue. J. Saan yung heart? Heart. Heart! Ako sa taas.
blue jay, heart, 5,
Blue. J. Heart. Pindot. Tas to.
blue jay, heart, 5,
Blue. J. Heart. Saan?
blue jay, heart, 5,
Ah? Blue. J. Heart.
jay, heart, 5, yellow,
Ah? Blue. J. Heart. Bye. Bye. Yellow. Anak ka ng toko ka.
round 5, rabbitous, blue, green, yellow, smiley face,
Ha?
snowflake,
Ah?
violet,
Ano?
snowflake, west, rabbitous, 5, rabbitous, green, magic, white, yellow,
Hoy!
white,
Hoy!
violet, rabbitous, white, rabbitous, green, west, green, snowflake, smiley face, yellow, red, 5,
Ah! 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 Visit ka.
It broke.
Ah, syempre.
Fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look up.
Thank you.
Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
Ayoko rin makipaglaro sa'yo. Uy! The hell, bro? Buti, wala na tayo dun sa tao ngayon. Ay, mapindot kanina. Kinabahan ako. Nakakasar naman. Kinabahan ako dun. So, saan tayo? Naglalag tayo ngayon. Oh, ang dami. Ang lawak ng play care na to. Ang lag ko. Ay,
Want to hear a dino joke? Click once for the question. Click again for the punchline.
okay. So, anong kailangan natin dito? Oh, hi, Dino. Do we need something? Oh, meron dito. Tapos, nasan yung ano? Tape? Matron tape? Sarado.
Get it? Root?
Kailangan natin ng ano? Saan to? Oh. Paano ako makakakit sa'yo? I need to akyat. Ayun oh. So, doon, idadating natin siya doon. Tama ba ako? Ten seconds. Ah, okay. Para makakuha natin to. Nabot ako dun ha. Ilan minuto rin ako dun. Yan. Tapos. Ay. Test that sheet. Test this. Yan. Tapos. Tayo. So, we are here. Pa kailangan natin dito. Ha? Ay, nasan yung one? Ito. Paano? Oh, okay. Gets. Diba? Let's hawak dito. Woo! Hirap pa. Grabe mga puzzle dito ah. Gustong gusto ko to ah. Naglalag ako ah. Hindi kinakaya na cellphone ah. So where are we? Akit tayo sa taas. Go up. Wala naman. Ah, okay. Tapos na tayo. Okay. Ang sunod.
Whoa, you did fantastic.
Oo.
Who gave you permission to be this smart? Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told you that herself.
Nga nang sunod.
Next game is Wacko Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
Ay, sino yung... Ano? Sino daw? Sino daw sunod natin? Ay nang yan. Teka, sino sunod natin? Tingnan. Naano ako sa mga pictures ah. Ah. Ano, isa rin to sa mahirap eh. Di ko naman din sila makikita kapag pinatay na yung ilaw.
Welcome to Wacko Wuggy. This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities.
Ah.
A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes.
Oh.
An adorable Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of these holes. If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack.
Ang dami naman nito.
Good luck.
Ang dami nito. Ang daming holes nito. Ano tong... Grabe naman yan.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun.
Papatay mo yung ilaw. Doon. Hep! Ay! Lalabas na sila. Doon na. Yan na. Oh, doon na rin. Doon na. Doon. Shit, ang dami nila. Ang dami. Ano ba? Tantanan niyo ako. Ay, nasa labas na. Sa labas na kayo. Relax lang mga pogi. Ota, nanginginig ako sa inyo eh. Ang dami nyo eh. Sa isang kamay lang. Sa isa lang. Visit ka.
You did it. Mommy is so proud of you.
Proud ka?
Mommy has another hint for you. Only one game left to play. Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever. Though, it's never too late to
Nope, ayoko kitang makasama. Akala ko sa PC. Akala ko sa computer, nakapatay ang ilaw. Oh. Ay. Ayos yan. Ay, bawal tayo makiat. Saan tayo? Visit ka. Sino ka?
Click the button to feed me candy.
Eh, paano kung ayoko? So, ano ang sunod? Ha? Ano sunod? Ano to? Need some energy. And how am I supposed to go in there? Si ano to Pinky Hi Pinky. No. Pero sana buksan mo lang pero wag kang atake ha. Thank you. Pero relax ka lang ha. Yung ganyan tingin mo natatakot pa rin ako kahit alam kong hindi ka atake. Tara. Proceed tayo. Ito ang kailangan natin ngayon. Berry. So, ay, mali. Tapos, okay, gets. Hindi ka na rito. Ang kate ah. Ang lamok dito sa kwarto ah. So, kailangan natin ni ito. Tapos, ito. Sunod. Kailangan natin kunin yon. Tapos, lagay dito. Tapos, baba to. Tapos, kunin natin siya. Dude, pwedeng kunin mo na lang. Yung isang tape, di natin napanood yung isang tape eh.
Oh, not at all, sir.
That's what I like to hear. So, Marcus, what happened?
You see, I was heading home for the day when my A-Pars realized that I left my bloody wallet in the cafeteria. So, I'm running through the lobby, and that's when I see it. A mob handle lodged under the Innovation Wing gate.
So what'd you do, Marcus?
Well, I just thought I'd nab the bloody yoke and be on me merry way.
Ay,
And
Well, I'm reaching for the thing, and the mob handle jolts on its own. Had me scared stiff. I thought I was the only one there. So, I took a peek beneath the gate, and some massive bloody thing was dothering about the bloody hallway.
thing? You're sure it wasn't a person?
Ain't no person that's 50 feet long with 1,000 legs.
Marcus, you're losing me. Maybe you just saw a bunch of people walking by.
Look, it wasn't people, all right? I haven't a bloody notion what it was, but it wasn't human.
Who have you told about this? Besides me, obviously.
Just you, sir. Obviously.
Okay. I'll have security skim the cameras and take a look.
What? There's a massive bloody monster! Skimming ain't gonna get rid of it!
You're out of line, Marcus. We make toys, not monsters.
ba't parang ano siya magsalita, no?
Actually, grab me a coffee, will you? Actually, never mind. Get out of my sight.
Okay. Oh. We need something in here. Dito. Ay, hindi. Babalik tayo doon? Ay, hindi. Dito ba? Hindi eh. Saan yung daan nun? Saan? Dun. Ba't may harang kasi? Tapos dito. Ah, okay. Gets ko na. Ang layo ng pupuntahan ko nito. Dito pala. Pwede na pala dito. Dali! Okay, tapos na. Grabing puzzle naman yun. So ano kailangan natin dito? Medyo nag-warn na yung storage ko. Tapos laglag na lang dito. Ganon. Push na lang. Pwede po kami push. Push. Boom! At diretso na siya nalaglag doon. Okay. May kailangan ba tayo dito? Wala naman. And we are back. Isa na lang. Do we need to go in here? Buksan na nga lang natin to para dire-diretso na. Ano to? Isa na lang naman yan eh.
Jeez, have you played these before? You're so good.
Alam
Seems
ko
like
lang.
you're ready for the final game, statues. Follow mommy down the stairs one last time. I hope you had a fun day at the game station. See you next time.
Saan? Ito? Ila! Sige! Dalawang daliri paggamit ko. Oh, shit. Hindi ko trip to. Ay, hindi ko gusto to. Kuha yun sa taas. Akyat. Sawak to. Visit ka. Pinahirapan mo ako. O, ano yan? Ano yung kilos na yan?
Caterpillar or bug?
Ow! Fudge! Okay. I hate this game.
Welcome to Statues. This advanced obstacle course is designed to test your physical endurance and strength. The rules are simple. The lights will turn off. You can move through the obstacle course at this time. However, when the lights turn on, you can look around but cannot move. You may move again once the lights turn back off.
Oh, shit!
PJ Bugapillar will follow you. If PJ reaches you,
Ganyan yung aso na yan.
is over.
Ay na,
That's all.
ganyan ka.
Good luck.
Ito, kinakaba ng aso na yan.
It was always so sad to see the kids go. They called me mommy because I was the closest thing.
Mami, kasi babae ka eh.
But they come for games and never come back. They left mommy to die alone. Mommy didn't deserve that. But you worked here.
Trespasser lang ako. Hindi ako nagtatrabaho dito.
To die alone. It's you.
Dalian mo na. Nice! Gulat ako. Maybe forget that. Tutik na yan. Ayan na siya. Where do I need to shoot? Ay, nabot. Ay, bawal pa rin pala gumalaw doon kahit nasa loob ka na. Finally, nandito na tayo. Nahirapan ako dito. So, ano kailangan natin? Do we need something? Nakalaki. Oh, dito sa baba.
Where did you go? Game is over. Come back.
Tapos na, okay na yon.
I'll give you the code. Pinky promise.
Okay na yon, tama na yon.
Mommy knows the game is really hard, but Mommy is just deciding you won.
Okay na yon, tama na yon. Ay. Ayoko nga. Ang dilim. Can't see anything. Ang taas. Ano yan? Duyan natin, okay? Ang hirap ng laro. Ano to? Water treatment? Yan. Water treatment. Dito muna tayo. Sino ka?
Meow, 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 meow. Fun.
Nana natin. Medyo malakas. Okay, kailangan natin to. Tapos, meron na ba? Nakuha na tayo? Okay. Ano to? We need to go down. Okay na eh. Sunod, kailangan natin pumunta doon sa kabila. Kaya ba yan? Ako nahihirapan dito sa hinayupak na to eh. Yan, putik ka. Do not enter. Because once you enter, there's no turning back. Ano meron dito? Ang haba nito ah. Oh. Something in here. Asan ang ano? Check nga muna natin sa kabila. Oh, dito pala eh. Mabilis lang. Walang tao dito. Then, saan yung bumukas? Saan yun? Saan? Dito? Na? Babalik ba tayo? Para pumunta doon sa kabila? Puta, umikot lang tayo eh. Ay. Oh, we have flashlights. At nalaglag tayo. kailangan tayong gawin dito? Oh. Uy!
I asked you to play fair, and you cheated! I hate cheaters! Now, we're going to play one last game! It's called Hide and Seek! 10,
Wait lang! Relax ka lang!
7, 6, 5, 4,
Where do I need to hide? Where do I need to hide? I need to hide. 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 Dito. What do we got here? Mamaya ka na mamaya ka na manggulo. Wait, do I need to do something? Okay. Hindi ko alam kung nasan siya ngayon. Tayo sa baba? Maybe. Papers. Huh? Tingnan ko yung taas baka meron din eh. Two is violet, one is ewan, red data to, 3 is green. Violet, red, green. Saan violet? Violet. Mali ako ng hulit ah. Kala ko di kasama yun. Oh sh! Kailangan na ba bumaba? Dito siya kasi dumaan eh. Sarado rito. Oh. Ano sabi? Ensure that machinery is clear of debris. Wipe machine surface, lubricant, dirt, and other loose debris. Check for the replace worn of damaged parts. Check machinery fluid levels. Check belts for damage. Main gear movement damage beyond repair. Please repair ASAP. Wow, ang usok. Kailangan natin to. Ah, okay. Tapos, mamold natin siya. Alam ko magtatago tayo dito. Pustahan tayo. Tapos, hindi, sarado muna natin to. Kinakabahan ako. Baka may biglang sumulpot. May natatanaw pa akong nagbiblink-blink doon na kulay pula. And for sure, magkakaroon ng hulihan. Kinakabahan ako. Putik na laro to. Kaya ayoko ng ganung part eh. Spider-Man? Is that you? Medyo nakaka-escape na tayo. Pero sana naman makisama tong lag na to. Teka, saan ba tayo dadaan? Uy! Mamaya na yung mga kamay-kamay mo. Layuan mo ako. Yung kamay! Tulisan! Ayaw makisama ng kamay. Pagkahawak nito is... Let's go! At least kahit paano malayo-layo tayo sa kanya.
Oo! Huwag ka manakot, hayop ka. Hindi na boses babae yan, boses lalaki na yang hayop na yan. Kamay!
Ay! At mamamatay na ako. Putangin na. Teka, mami. Abutin mo. Abutin mo ng kamay. Abutin mo. Dod. Dod. Listen mo, Dod. Dod. Come on. Come on. Ay, utang ina ko. Okay na yan, mamamatay ka na. Yes, I can. Oh. Ito yung ano prototype buwisit na yan Grabe yung kaba ko sa'yo. At, ay nako, thank you, natalo din. What now? Base 69? Ay, sorry, dito pala yung tamang daan. Kala ko kaya pwede pong pumarker. At naglalag ako. Saan yung daan pataas? Dito? Tapos talon. Tapos ikot. Akyat. Nakalakang pinto. Ano yun? Ano yun? May tape pa tayo isa.
Log code 08502.
Scientist.
Relation. Experiment 1006. Prototype. A close call occurred this week in which he nearly breached containment. The prototype seemingly disassembled the digital alarm clock within his room and utilized the battery, along with several other components, to create a laser pointer, which he then fired into the security camera, disabling it. These actions allowed him 28.3 seconds
Ang bilis.
completely unmonitored. Once function returned to the camera, the room appeared to be empty. One surveillance specialist went in to confirm his absence. However, upon opening the door, she realized that the prototype had hidden in one
Ayun,
of the
makakalaban
cameras
natin yung
tunnels.
prototype din na yun
The prototype attempted to escape through the open door. However, another surveillance specialist was able to remotely relock the door, despite the other specialists still being inside. One casual prototype seems to possess an unprecedented level of intelligence beyond that of all other test subjects, as well as an alarming willingness to commit violence. Further suppression treatments will need to be enacted to ensure that no other experiments develop these qualities. Experiment 1170, Huggy Wuggy, remains the optimal outcome due to his sufficient intelligence paired with maximum obedience. End of log.
Ay, nako. Dami na nangyayari. Is this the end? Ay, nako. Natapos din tayo dito. So, saan naman tayo? Ngayon. Oh, may computer dito. Oh, kukunin ka pala. Ang galing, thank you.
Did you kill her?
Oh, napatay ko siya.
I'll board the train.
I'll board to the train.
Need to leave.
You need to leave. Oo. So, asan ka? Kung ganon. Kasi alas mamatay-matay na ako eh. Finally, we're here na. Tapos na yung game. Ay. Medyo may pagka FPS siya, nakakainis. 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. Let's go. Okay, we're moving po. Our destination po is papunta na po tayong Makati. Ang next destination po natin is ano? Destination natin is mamamatay na tayo. Okay. Eh, nasan si Papi? Gusto kasama natin siya dito. Ganon. Okay, chill ride lang tayo po. Oh.
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case. But you saved me.
Siyempre.
You are perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect to lose.
Siyempre.
Sorry. I can't let you leave. I've never met anyone like you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case?
Hanggang
Well, too long. I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll set things right. Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable. We will. What if...
ano yun? Nawala yung linya mo. Paulit na lang po ng sinasabi mo. Kasi tuloy-tuloy pa po tayo sa ating pagkaka-destination natin. Oh, parang pabilis ng pabilis ah. Can I hold this? Lang, inihila ko na. Inihila ko na. Ginagawa ko na. Ah! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh fudge. Ow. Ow. Aray. Man. Boy, stand up boy. Kailangan natin tumayo. Kailangan natin mag-proceed. Marami pa tayong kailangan. Ay, tapos na agad pala yun. So, ayun na nga mga pare ko, Chokoy. Chapter 2, Fly in a Web. And hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. So, iwan na lang kayo ng like dyan. And subscribe na lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko para meron tayong pang part 3. And so, mag-aabot na tayo ng 100 subscribers mga pare ko, Chokoy. So, patuloy lang naman tayo sa laro nito. And yeah, kita-kits na lang tayo sa susunod na chapter 3. Titingnan ko kung meron pa tayo makikita full game ng chapter 3 ng Poppy Playtime na APK. And let's see na lang kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa atin sa susunod. And ingat na lang po kayo dyan. Salamat po sa panonood.